Are you tired of water spots ruining your perfect wash? Well, what if I told you there's a way to dry your car crazy fast without leaving a single spot behind? Today, we're checking out the Fantastic Clean towels. They promise to be a game changer for drying and polishing. So let's put them to the test. Today, we're going to look at these polishing and drying towels from Fantastic Clean. These are the 24-inch version, nice for spot work and polishing. And then we have the extra large towel, which is perfect for drying the vehicle after a wash. Now, as I said, you can use these for spot work, polishing, drying, just many uses. They also work perfect for chrome. Fantastic Clean. And one thing that they do recommend is before the first use, you want to make sure that you run them through a wash cycle in your washing machine. You don't want to use harsh chemicals or bleach. Wash them with light colors and then tumble dry low. And then they're ready to use. And we're going to try them out. But first, we got to wash them real quick. All right, we washed the vehicle earlier. I let it dry just so we could see how it produces the spots. Wet it back down now, and I have laundered the towel, so it's ready to be used. So let's just put this to the test real quick and see how well it dries. And then after we've got it dried off, I'll show you some additional uses that you can use your smaller towels for. They claim that with minimal effort, you can dry a full-size vehicle in about 90 seconds. I totally agree with that. It basically is just up to you how fast you want to move. It picks up all the water in a single pass, does not leave streaks, does not leave any residue behind, and there's no pesky tags or anything on that towel that could create scratches. You would absolutely not believe how heavy this drying towel is at this point. And I don't know that I can even wring anything out of it. It's pretty wild. As absorbent as these towels are, and the smaller towels would work just fine to actually dry the vehicle, but they are just about the perfect size as a finishing touch if you're using any kind of wax, polish, or anything else to just be able to bring out that shine. You just apply your wax as you normally would, let it come to a little bit of a haze, and then use these super soft towels to bring the shine out. Now, I decided to test its polishing power, so I used a little bit of cleaner wax that I had and just applied that. And we're going to let it kind of dry up a little bit here for a second, and then we're going to just see how easy it brings it back to a shine. Now, these also would work extremely well on any kind of chrome finish, glass, pretty much anything that you just don't want to scratch. Now, to finish up our test, I'm going to use one of the smaller towels and apply my DIY ceramic coat spray from Suma. It's a product that I like to use. I apply it to the paint about every 30 to 60 days. And these are going to work perfect for that, I just know. So we're going to start by wetting a panel, and then we're going to basically go panel to panel and just see how fast we can dry the ceramic spray into the paint. These work excellent. These small ones do if you're using like a two-towel method. I'm rubbing one in with a damp panel or just freshly sprayed panel, wiping the ceramic coat, getting it nice and even, and then I'm going back with my with a relatively dry small towel, and it just brings just the shine straight out in it. These are awesome, fantastic clean. I will leave a link in the description, and I would say go get some. They are high quality, very high quality. And if you're one to take care of your ride, try to keep it fresh and looking good, I would highly recommend getting a couple of these, and or gift somebody. Get some for yourself and for a buddy. Fantastic clean. Thank you guys so much for watching the video today. Remember, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. You guys have a blessed day. Thank you.